Hi, Chad Nilsson here. I want to get you a little more information on the GroovePages lifetime access for $497. There's been some confusion. I've gotten some questions. They do have a free lifetime offer going right now where you get GroovePages and GrooveSell. That is still going on. There's a link actually for that as well down below the video. But if you want their full line of their full suite of services, they have an incredible one-time payment going now. These it's going to be like a ClickFunnels, better than a ClickFunnels. And you're looking at anywhere from $99 to $300 a month, and you can do it for one-time payment for $497 now and get lifetime access. So I wanted to kind of go over that, clear up some misconceptions. I'm gonna go ahead and log into my account, just give you an idea of some of the things you can get. GroovePages, this is actually what you can get for free, and you can build unlimited websites here. There's already a lot of templates in here, and they're building out a ton of more templates for landing pages, web sites, e-commerce. You can sell products online. So that's included. That is included in the free offer. You get unlimited free hosting, or you can use your own custom domain name. So you can go buy a name, mystore.com, and have your web page or website show up under that. Or as soon as you create a page, they'll host it for free. You can have the page live within just a few seconds. The other piece that you get for free is the GrooveSell. You can create unlimited funnels here where you go and you create products and then you create funnels for them. So I'll just take you into that real quick. So if we were to go to manage products, just to give you an idea, we hit edit here. This is where you can have your product here, and you can name it. You can have what type of product it is, if it's your original, if your first front end product, or upsell or downsell. You can price it. You can set it for single price. You can set it for monthly recurring. You can take payments so that they can pay the one-time fee over 3 separate payments. And then you can connect this to a free PayPal or Stripe account or other authorized.net, other places, but you can, for free, connect it to PayPal or Stripe. And then once you do this, you have unlimited web pages, and then you have unlimited products that you can sell and have funnels. Other things that you're going to get is Groove Affiliate. You automatically get signed up as an affiliate. If you're a free member, you get 20% of anybody that ever gets anything, any purchases anything, 40% if you're a paid member. Groove Mail is coming. This is going to be, think of Active Campaign. It's much more than just an autoresponder. So you have autoresponders and tagging and how to categorize your contacts. It's just going to be a great system for doing your autoresponder and contact management system. Groove Member, if you want to create a membership site, if you want to have people come in and pay for a month or pay a one-time fee and have a membership and have levels and what they can access. Groove Video. So it's going to be like a Wistia or a Vimeo. You could upload and save your videos online. These are all the things that are coming here in the next few weeks. While this is in beta, this is what's available now for this one-time price. When they come out of it, this is not going to be available much longer. They've been dropping a lot of hints in the next few days to a few weeks that this offer is going away. And then the other things that are slotted to come along are Groove Blogs. You can have a full-function blog. You can use this to replace WordPress. I've made tons of WordPress sites over the year. This is so much easier than actually Groove Webinars. So Mike Filsame is one of the founders of this website. He created, if you've heard of Webinar Jam or Ever Webinar, go look those up. Those are anywhere from $500 to $900 per year for those products. You would get that lifetime for free. So when you start adding this up, a web page builder, and that's anywhere from $99 to $300 a month for ClickFunnels, for example. An autoresponder that's actually more of a contact manager like an Active Campaign, that's probably about their $50 level would be the equivalent of that. Having a shopping cart, having Groove Webinars, Groove Desk for helping for questions and customer support, Groove Calendar, Groove Survey. There's going to be a marketplace. You get right now, if you get in, you also get Groove Cart, where you can sell physical products as well, T-shirts that maybe you designed, or any products from Alibaba or any of the fulfillment sites, and you can sell them on Amazon or on your own website. So just a ton of great stuff. This is everything that you get. in the link below. And also in the video, there might be a picture of where the link is to go get more information about this and to sign up for it. That's not a clickable link at the bottom of the video. You just need to type that in, or down below in the description. You can do it. If you have any other questions, put them in there. At the very least, take advantage of the free offer. But check this out if you want more information on this one-time lifetime payment, web pages, sell products, unlimited funnels, unlimited contacts, autoresponder, everything that you ever need. If you're paying for these now, you know that you're paying a lot. If you add it up, it could be thousands a year and tens of thousands over several years. So this is a great opportunity to get in and get this while it's still in beta and this lifetime payment is still available.